Discover the ancient roots, paths, and history of your ancestry at no cost at all, and guaranteed totally for free. If your DNA test reveals Suru, Kataterana, or Zavanti lineage, which all three are located in Brazil, South America, we invite you to share with us also the other countries that also appear in your test result as a part of your origin. As said, we claim and provide evidence that our research can reconstruct your complete ancient ancestry and your deep human history, as well as the main migration pathways that most probably originated in South America, this long before any by consensus claimed out of Africa, or in other words at least 50,000 years ago. To be able to deliver a very detailed or granular personal human history, we need at least one granular origin, like a tribe or a very ancient indigenous group. The tribes or granular groups that interest us most are the genetically similar Suru, Kataterana, or Zavanti Amazon forest tribes, as there is clear and multiple evidence that these are the oldest ancestors of all modern humans. They also are genetically clearly marked by the oldest ancestral marker and the population Y signal. That said, apart from these three tribes, we also are interested in origins that also present some of the most ancient DNA, and we will try to provide the senders their related histories and migration routes, also all for free. Like 1. Anzick 1, Clovis. 2. Kennewick Man, Pacific Northwest. 3. North American Algonquian groups which present the highest frequencies of prehistoric Y-DNA haplogroup R1, like Ojibwe 79%, Chippewayan 62%, Seminole 50%, Cherokee 47%, Dogrib 40%, and Papago 38%. 4. Mesoamerican, Aztec Maya proxies. 5. Jomon, Japan. We present the above evidence in several videos of our channel. These relevant videos organized in playlists. While several playlists could be of your interest, prefer a playlist with ancestral markers in the title. Several genetic testing and ancestry companies provide services that can trace your roots to indigenous American populations, including those in the Amazon where Suru ancestry is located. That said, standard consumer DNA kits from larger, mainstream databases like Ancestry.com or 23andMe generally provide broad indigenous Americas or Native American regional clusters. Due to the specific demographic history of the Amazon, pinpointing a specific isolated group like the Suru often requires uploading your raw DNA data to specialized deep ancestry services like GenomeLink. For your information, these specialized deep ancestry services like GenomeLink are unrelated to us, just as all other genetic testing and ancestry companies which provide services also are unrelated to us. What we offer is totally independent and is totally for free, and also does not require any sensitive data, and in fact not even a contact of yours. Why participate? Contribute to human history research and more specifically to the correct and rewritten human history. Help us build a more accurate, detailed picture of the real human history, which we claim to be out of the Americas, rather than out of Africa or out of Asia. Discover hidden facts about your heritage. Gain insights into your and the collective historical migration routes and geographic origins of your and all humans' ancestors. How to share your data and get your result and video for free. Please send your current country, or region of residence and your first name. Rest assured, all data, even while said not sensitive, is kept strictly confidential and used solely for mapping yours and others' historical origins. No other or sensitive details are needed. If possible, an email or WhatsApp number to provide info and video, if that is okay for you. If you prefer not to send a contact, you best also inform the date you send the info to us. In such cases we will make a report and/or video with your correct human history, and if your info points out a more granular personal history, we will add it to your video. Next we will post it on YouTube, where you can find back your personal video and report by searching on YouTube for your first name, the date you sent your name to us, and perhaps some 3 places of the places of origin which you informed us about. That way, and at any point, you will not expose any sensitive information about yourself, nobody will be able to identify you, and if you did not send us your contact information, even we will not know who the sender was. You can send additional information if you prefer to, but we do not ask for it at any point, as we are able to do our research and deliver your report and video even with this quite limited and non-sensitive information. If you do not mind, your paternal and maternal haplogroups are welcome, and with them we can provide you additional information, but as said, this is not needed and thus optionally, and once again totally for free. Help us prove in more detail what all ancestral markers already prove you and us, but that consensus or mainstream rejects to recognize to protect some of their non-scientific interests. Reach out today and become an active part of the rewriting of human history, migration, and peopling or populating of the whole world with modern humans.